In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your text nod in iMessage on your iPhone running iOS 18. This fun trick allows your messages to stand out by adding a bouncing effect to your text bubbles, creating a dynamic and lively interaction with your recipients. Let's dive right in. First, grab your iPhone and open the Messages app. It's the one with the green and white icon usually found on your home screen or in your app library. Once you're in the Messages app, you need to start or open an existing conversation. It doesn't matter whom you're texting, this feature works with any of your contacts or even a new number. Next, let's get typing. Go ahead and draft your message. You can type something simple like yes, or any other phrase you wish to animate. It's important to keep in mind that while longer messages can also be animated, shorter messages work particularly well for the nod effect, making them pop visually. Now, here's where the magic happens. Before you hit send, press and hold the send button. This is the blue arrow you usually tap to send your message, but instead of a quick tap, a long press will trigger a menu. A quick tip, if you're having trouble, make sure you're firmly pressing on the button, as it requires a little more pressure than a regular tap. Once the menu pops up, look for the option labelled Send with Effect and tap on it. This will open a new screen with different animation options you can apply to your message. You'll see two tabs at the top, Bubble and Screen. For our purpose, make sure you're on the Bubble tab. Now it's time to find the effect you're looking for. Swipe through the options under Bubble until you find the one that makes the text bounce vertically. In some versions of iOS, this effect might be labelled Slam, while in others it might be called Bounce. Apple sometimes updates these names, but the visual animation remains similar. It makes your message appear to leap joyfully on the screen. Satisfied with your selection? Great. Now, simply tap on the send arrow once more to send your animated text. Your recipient will see the message bounce upon, opening the conversation, adding an extra layer of fun and emphasis to your text. It's a delightful way to highlight certain messages and engage your friends and family with more than just words. And that's all there is to it. Making your text nod in iMessage is an easy and entertaining way to enhance your messaging experience. Play around with different effects and enjoy the added flair they bring to your conversations. Thanks for tuning in and happy texting.